Awamoo'a. How are y'all doing today? Thank you so much again for tuning into my channel. As you can see here today, we're going to be looking at numbers, kind of. Specifically, here's the thing. I think there's so many videos and our content out there already showing you and teaching you how to count in Northern Paiute. I want to go beyond that. I want to start a video series where I look at one individual number, 1 through 10, and expand upon it. I want to show its use or show it in use, in actual phrases or sentences. Because again, there's already so many videos out there teaching you how to count, but let's actually see how to put that in use, how to use each word in a sentence or in a phrase. So before that, however, we are going to count. Count to 10. Just to have that kind of repetition for those who don't know already, who want to learn how to count, I'm going to provide that here for you. And then afterwards, we're going to look at the number 1 in specific uses. So here we go. Number 1, Sumu'yoo. 2, waha'yoo. 3, bahit'yoo. 4, watsukut'yoo. 5, manigit'yoo. 6, napahit'yoo. 7, natakwatsuku'yoo. 8, wokosukut'yoo. Or namiwatsukut'yoo. There's 2 different ways of saying 8. 9, sumukarup. And 10, sumumano'yoo. Did you notice anything similar about all these numbers? Well, all of them except 9 end in this suffix "u". There's a reason why 9 is different, but we'll get there in that video. But for now, this suffix indicates the nominative or subjective form. I did a video entirely on that suffix previously. You'll have to go back and look at it. But for now, just as a reminder or new information, it represents a nominative or subject form. So that means that this specific form of the number is used as the subject of a sentence or the predicate of the sentence. But it can change. It can either be removed entirely or it can be replaced with a different suffix depending on its syntactical position in a sentence. In other words, depending on where it's at and how it's functioning in a sentence, as a subject, as an object, as an adverb. Different other suffixes can be added to it, and we're going to see some of the examples here in this video. So the root of each word is what you see here. It's just kind of chopped. You take off the "u" and you have the root. Make sense? All right, let's see its use in some examples. First, as the subject of a sentence. The subject of the sentence, it just stays the same as the counting form, Sumu'yoo. So you can say Sumu'yoo na means one man, or Sumu'yoo mogotni, one woman, or Sumu'yoo natsi, one boy. Or, as you see here in the picture, Sumu'yoo tsa, one girl. Usui mu'a, she is my grandmother. That's my grandmother when she was a girl. I believe she's at the Walker Lake, which is where we are enrolled. Other examples. Sumu'yoo poogoogooba kemmaoogena means one is coming along on a horse. We don't know who, it's just one implied person. But you could say Sumu'yoo nana poogoogooba kemmaoogena, one man is coming on a horse. Or Sumu'yoo mogotni poogoogooba kemmaoogena, one woman is coming on a horse. So again, both of these or all these examples, the number 1 is used as the subject of the sentence. Here's another. Yamino Sumu'yoo sui pinagi pinai. To this day, only one of my brothers remains. This one has a little extra suffix added. This S-O-O, su. That one can have a sense of just one or only one. So only one of my brothers remains. Let's look at some examples of the number in use as the object of a sentence. Ne sumu'oo aaba-ga'yoo. I have one horse. So what's different here? The "u" is dropped and replaced with "u." Ne sumu'oo aaba-ga'yoo. So ne is the subject of the sentence. Therefore, one horse is not. So it doesn't take the "u" form. It takes this "u" form because it is what I have. I have one horse. Sumu'oo aaba-ga'yoo. Another example. Ne sumu'yoo ishi wadziku. I lost one of my horses. Again, one is the object of the verb lost. So it takes this u form, sumu'oo. Sumu'oo aaba-ga'yoo. She or he has only one sister. Again, this one has the SOO ending, so it has that sense of kind of only one sister or just one sister. Another example, a little bit different, but still the object. It is ne sumuhoo puhu patsa. I killed one duck. So this HOO is just another dialectical form to indicate the object of the sentence. Who and oo. And I did a video entirely on these as well. You have to look back if you're interested to learn more. Another one, similar, is sumuhoo tsatsibwa. I caught one fish. Some examples of temporal adverbs. What is a temporal adverb? It's just basically when you're saying something and you indicate a particular time frame or time period. Like you say, one morning such and such a thing happened, or one evening this thing happened. Something like that. So here are some examples. Awamoo'a. One morning. Awamoo'a. One morning. Again, something happened. Or sumuhoo. 1 month ago, something happened. Sumu'togano imukwanum. One night, I got dizzy. Not fun. How about sumutabi no songopanga? Rest for 1 day. So notice in these examples, there is no suffix at all. It's just the root form sumu. Sumu awamoo'a. 1 morning. Sumu'togano. 1 night. Sumutabino. 1 day. It's just dropped. Very easy. How about age? Well, we just have one number we're dealing with, number 1, right? So it's tommopu. Tommopu. 1 year old. Very easy. And just one miscellaneous. There's other suffixes that can be added for different reasons, but this is just an overview. So here's one example. Sumunagwa kai puigayu means he has one or no eye on one side. So this suffix nagwa means side. Sumu, one, nagwa, side. One side. Sumunagwa kai puigayu. No eye. On one side, one eye, he has no side. Ma nusapa. That is all. I hope that is helpful. Again, just learning how to take a number and put it in actual use in a phrase, in a sentence. So, I hope that's helpful. Until next time, practice as much as you can, learn as much as you can. So, punirwa, see you later, have a good day.